money swag.
This one's going to be quick. I got a new service I want to let everyone know about. For people who are subscribed to the channel, that I'm going to put up how to do it right now. But for subscribers, I'm going to be offering my services to do property analysis. So if you have a property in Baltimore City or Baltimore County, just follow the prompt and just go through the method. And for $20 a property right now, that price might change depending on how active it gets. I'll analyze one property for you. So 20 bucks one property. I'll run the numbers real conservatively and let you know if I think your deal will be something you'll be making money in. But you have to understand this isn't financial advice, and I'm not telling you to go buy the deal, but this is just when I run the numbers, these are the numbers that I get back. And I'll let you know if I think it'll be making money, if it won't be making money, but only for properties in Baltimore City and Baltimore County, because I'm real comfortable in analyzing deals like that. So for $20, if you have a deal you're working on, I'll analyze it for you. So again, my name is Nick, if this is your first time watching, but if you need help analyzing a property in Baltimore City, Baltimore County, just let me know. 20 bucks, I'll help you analyze it. So this is Nick signing out. Have a good one.